Hi guys! Today we wanna showing to you our most popular camper, 1912 Wolf. We'll drive this camper today to mountain. We have it Ford F-150, crew cab, 6.5 bed, long bed. And this camper perfectly fit. I'm almost not feeling this camper on the back of the car when I drive it. Yeah, let's enjoy and we will see. Yes, and we arrive to our mountain, where we're showing to you perfect camper, Wolf 1912. Here we today in Jebel Jais. And we will showing to you our Wolf 1912, which perfectly fit in the 6.5 bed. But don't worry, 5.5, it's also possible fix it. It's little bit different. Okay, Wolf CP 1912. Specially designed for the long bed truck like Ford F-150, Sierra Silverado, Tundra and other similar trucks. It's fully fiberglass body with the electrical jack, which help you remove it or fix it from your car in 10 minutes. It means you don't need purchasing second car, you have it one car, which you use it for your work, for the other purpose, and when you want to enjoy and going outside, you fix it your camper. This camper fixed by 4 points. We have it 2 points. On the front side, it's fixed down inside truck, and 4 points on the back side, like one and other. Here we have it. Socket, which you use it for the connection your camper to 220 volts. Outside socket for the charge your phone or other stuff, or again TV install on this wall. Next, water inlet, open, fill water, close. Okay, fully fiberglass body with double acrylic window. On the bed area we have 2 windows, one on the right side, one on the left side. In the main area you have one big window in the passenger side and one small window in the driver's side. This window 90 centimeters, opposite side 70 centimeters. LED light. We have 3 amazing LED lights, which night time give it to you daily light. I repeat one more time, it's fiberglass body, fully fiberglass, which protect you from heat, hot, moisture, water. When we open door, it's give it to you a good platform. You can enjoy sitting on this platform, enjoy this amazing view, drink your coffee or tea, or just listen music and watching to the amazing view. This door have a ventilation mode like this. It will be air going inside. You can lock your door and nobody can have access, and you still have ventilation. Open. Door looks like this, garbage bin holder. Yeah. Okay, what we have inside? Inside we have it space for the fridge. Here possible install 65 liters fridge. We have it here electrical jack panel. We have here control of our outside light, inside light, water pump. Water level, black water level, fresh water level. Okay, in the left side we have it. More in the right side we have an area where you can install your coffee machine or other stuff. Next, water sink. In the left side we have a bathroom with toilet. Optionality here possible: make water sink. Ventilation for the take air in or air out. Two sofa, one. Second, this sofa can transform to one more additional bed. 90 centimeters by 2 meters. Like one adult or two child can sleeping. USB socket to 20 volt socket. USB socket to 20 volt socket. Small storage, small storage, small storage. Folding table, which not take space inside. You open, you enjoy. You don't need table, you just close. And that's all, you have still a lot of space. Other campers proposal for you like one long sofa and table here, which not possible remove. No, it's possible remove, but where you can store in your bed. If you wanna, some person wanna lie in the bed, some person wanna sit in the sofa, and this table which you need thinking where you can put it. With this type of the table, you every time winner, because you remove it, open, close. It's not take additional space. Storage with lock. Storage with lock. Here possible install microwave, light, LED light one side, LED light other side, one light down here, other side same light, reading light, one more light, air condition. Air condition 9000 BTU with Freon R32. Use it only 500 watts. Bed queen size 1.6 meter. One more additional socket we have it here to 20 volts, and inside for microwave also have it one socket. Optionality possible fix it one socket here for the TV. TV also possible fix on this wall, big wall. Down of the sofa we have it storage. And the opposite side, same story. I hope you enjoy what I'm showing to you. Camper CP 1912 Wolf. It's perfect camper, and we welcome you in Rock and Sand Campers, where we can help you choose perfect camper for your car. You are welcome in Ras El Khaimah, in El Hamra Free Zone, in Rock and Sand Campers. See you next time.